Today we are going to start printing in the darkroom, and one of the first things you need to know how to do when you begin printing in your darkroom is how to make your paper developer. And you hear I stress paper because there is a difference between paper developer and film developer. And I know the first few times when I was in a darkroom, I didn't really understand that, and it wasn't a very good experience doing it that way. This is Kodak Dectal paper developer, and I kind of like the way Kodak does it because it says right on the packaging, paper. And so this way, when you have film developer, like I showed you on the last episode, it says film. One important aspect about making this is that you have to understand it's a powder. There are some film developers that are liquid. And when you begin making this, again, it's a lot like making a cake again. It says right here how much temperature, or what the temperature is you need to get. And it's very important. It's 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very important that you get the water up to that temperature before you begin mixing it.